Today.
Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. We talk football SA. Nginamasondawana, lamasondawana angicela ngipha amagama kuqala. Any language.
Anita Mashaba.
Yeah.
And then this was a very tough game.
Yes.
Yeah, although it's a 1-1. We wanted 2-1 at least, but big up to the boys.
But there are some seconds left. You can still score.
We can still score. Yeah.
Yes.
Even though they gave us a red card, but we're still going strong.
Then,
Adelaide Mashaba.
Yeah.
I wanted 4-1.
Yes.
But though it's a 1-1, I'm still impressed.
Yes.
But the game was tough.
Yes.
And I'm still impressed though with our Sundowns boys.
Yes.
So big up to the boys.
About the league, where is the league going now?
It's going on our side.
Yeah.
Wow. We are the champions.
We're still leading.
We are the champs.
Hey, but Orlando Pirates is there.
No. Don't worry about Orlando Pirates. Those ones, they should wake up from their wildest dreams. We are the champs. They're still sleeping. Wake them up, please. Just wake them up.
Who's your man of the match?
My man of the match is Mukwena. It's Mukwena all the way.
What do you say?
For me,
Share the same sentiment.
Mudau for me.
No, thank you, my sisters. Let's meet online. We talk football SA. Thank you. Bye.